Good morning, respected sir and ma'am. Myself, Ashu Yadav, team leader of Team Alpha Zero, and today we are going to present solution on problem statement number 1392, which is nearest e-waste facility locator, and it is the problem of domain smart automation. The aim of our project is to reduce the gap between user and companies by implementing a middleman, that is e-waste facility locator, which accept e-waste from the users, and it will accept from different users in bulk and transfer it to the companies. And the e-waste facility locators websites will give users some credit points which users can accept in coins, and they can also accept in form of crypto, which they can use it later to redeem various products. Day by day, the technology is advancing and we are surrounding ourselves with different types of electronic products, and they are increasing rapidly within the passage of time. And generally, we as a user don't know what to do with this type of e-waste which we are collecting day by day, and it is growing in number. Also, in our current system, there is no system to dispose e-waste, and generally users don't know what to do. So our aim of the project is that we want to develop a safest way to dispose our e-waste such that it is not harmful to our environment, and we could hope for a better future. We also have a feature in which user can get information about the nearest e-waste recycling center, and basically we offer two types of feature. The first one is user can go on his own and submit his electronic wastes, and the second type of feature, users can book a slot such that a person from the recycling center can visit him and pick up his goods. So the core part of our project is an ML model, which basically identifies which type of electronic waste it is. And our model helps to differentiate between normal regular waste and the electronic waste, so that all the users can identify it. So after that, after the identification, users can generally put their model number in our website and basically get coins that they could use to redeem other products.